G'day! In today's video I've got a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 and the issue that this one was having, I accidentally done the repair off camera. I didn't expect it to work, but it did. This one would refuse charge, so it must have gone completely flat. You'd plug the power in, it would give you the white logo in the center of the screen, and it would do the same on the back display as well, or the outer display. And you plug it in, it would display the little icon, you'd pull the cord and it would cut off straight away. From there I also tried Wi-Fi charging on it using the Wi-Fi charging coil, and that made zero difference whatsoever. So I informed the customer I've got one last ditched effort to possibly revive this, which would be to open it up and disconnect the back battery. How did I disconnect the back battery, you ask? With a little bit of skill, or probably a lot of skill, and a bit of luck to not break the back glass, but if this is your last ditched effort, you might not have any choice but to accidentally break that and get into the phone as you work on it. Right now my heat pad's at 65 degrees Celsius. I've left this face down on here for around about 15 minutes to heat up the back of the phone. Then from there I put a spurt of isopropyl alcohol, which then softens adhesive. And then lastly, I used one of these little suction cups and managed to pull it open just a fraction. And from there I was able to use a plastic pry card, I'd probably call it, almost like a bank card, just enough that I can sliver it in, and then I worked around the outer perimeter of this. You don't want to jam it in all the way in. If you do, it will damage it, so I've just kind of slid it around and that's worked it away. And from there I was able to pop it off. Once I'd gotten in from there, I proceeded to remove a few different screws, which I'll just point out now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And did have to disconnect a couple of coil cables. So this one here, which I think is for the NFC. This one, I have no idea. I'm going to assume Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. And then I was able to pry it off like so. What I did after that, I disconnected the main battery, or main, which I think that's for cellular signal. And then I disconnected this one, which is the battery, and I disconnected this one, which I believe is the secondary battery, which is under this screen. So right now after that, I simply reconnected battery, or bat, I reconnected battery, I reconnected main, and then I reconnected the board here. So if that attached, reconnected. I didn't even put the screws back into it and put it on charge. And if I press and hold, now that it has got some charge, I stuck it on charge, left it on charge, and from there it woke up. Right now we're waking up. So if you've got a Z Fold, or any Samsung, any phone, first thing I would do is probably disconnect the battery. Except on the Z Fold5 or the Z Fold series, it's a bit more complicated to get into there at a much higher risk of damaging. Otherwise, if I couldn't get this to have started, what I would have done is offered to buy it and more than likely sell it for spare parts, as the inner screen in undamaged condition is worth quite a lot. So I'm going to proceed to put this back together now, and hopefully you may have some similar luck. So from here I'm going to try out Wi-Fi charging once I've got it all back together. I'm going to stick this back on heat now, so that gives this adhesive a bit more stick to it. And then as well, I'm going to use some B7000 frame adhesive just around the outer perimeter to fully seal it up from there. But yeah, that was a bit of an unexpected revival, which for such an expensive phone is pretty much a good idea. I do find that any Samsung phone that I've come across, well, not every, but quite often, when it just displays a charging icon, but it doesn't actually accept charge, usually just wants a few different cables disconnected, including the battery, just for it to figure itself out once more. So yeah, I hope that helps you revive your phone. and be able to get in there, get it usable, get your data back once more. Now, I'm just going to finish up here. Now, what will I do? I'll go along down here. Come on. Keep it moving. Go. Put the cover back in here. And should be right to flip and stick. Mostly falling into the groove. Just want to slide it around just a little bit just to make sure there's no extra movement going on. And now I'm going to get some lacquer bands on here just to help clamp it down. Anyway, I'll see you later. Bye.